Let's take a moment to highlight some of the key players who are shaping this technology. Building these advanced models is no small feat. It requires substantial investment, vast amounts of data, and access to top-tier research and development teams. These trailblazers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and their contributions are at the forefront of the innovation we're witnessing today. Absolutely. The landscape of large language models, LLMs, is evolving rapidly. Every day, new models emerge from both commercial and open source communities. Companies are racing to push the boundaries of AI, aiming to be leaders in this transformative technology. This slide shows the diversity and growth in the AI space, with different organizations contributing to the expanding ecosystem. The innovation is driven by a desire to not only be part of the conversation, but to lead it, shaping the future of AI in profound ways. However, while it may seem like there are many players and models, I'm noticing that a few key models are truly setting themselves apart from the crowd. And they all have one thing in common: a significant amount of investment. Here's a simple list showcasing some of the key players in the AI space. On the commercial side, we have giants like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, who are leading the charge with proprietary models. On the open source front, innovators like Mistral AI and Meta are contributing models that are accessible to the broader community. This distinction is crucial because it highlights the diversity in approach, some focusing on closed, highly optimized systems, and others prioritizing openness and community collaboration. Commercial models are typically developed by private companies with a focus on proprietary technology and profit-driven goals, often offering cutting-edge performance but at a cost, while open source models prioritize accessibility and collaboration, allowing the broader community to contribute, adapt, and improve the technology freely. You can easily access these generative AI models for free. Yes, they're free. Of course, there are paid subscriptions for extended usage, but the basic versions are available at no cost. I encourage you to explore all of them because each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses. Whether it's Google's Gemini, OpenAI's ChatGPT, or Anthropic's Claude, trying out these different tools will give you a better understanding. If you're wondering why these tools are free, or why some companies choose to make their models open source, the answer is simple. You are the product. Companies are eager to gather data from millions of users like you. They want your interactions, your feedback, and your data to continuously improve their models. This is why your engagement with these tools is so valuable to them.